Chapter 3: The Interplanetary Connection. In the wake of Mars colonization, the bond between the Red Planet and Earth remained strong. Despite the vast distances that separated them, technology paved the way for a seamless connection between the two worlds. A new social media platform, known as NexuSphere, emerged as the primary means of communication, connecting Martians and Earthlings in ways unimaginable. NexuSphere was a futuristic platform that transcended traditional social media. It utilized augmented reality and neural interfaces, allowing users to share thoughts, emotions, and experiences in real time. Through this groundbreaking platform, Martians and Earthlings could connect as if they were in the same room, breaking down the barriers of distance and time. The virtual communities that thrived on NexuSphere fostered a sense of global unity, transcending national boundaries and cultural differences. People from all walks of life shared their stories, ideas, and aspirations, forging deep connections and nurturing a global consciousness. It became a platform for collaboration, where scientific breakthroughs, artistic creations, and social progress were celebrated and shared. Mars, despite being a separate world, became a source of wonder and inspiration for those on Earth. The Martian landscape, with its majestic canyons, towering volcanoes, and vast deserts, captivated the imagination of people around the globe. Through NexuSphere, Earthlings could experience Mars virtually, exploring its breathtaking vistas and witnessing the remarkable achievements of the Martian civilization. In turn, Martians found solace in their connection with Earth. They marveled at the beauty of their ancestral home, the blue jewel suspended in the cosmos. Through NexuSphere, they immersed themselves in the sights and sounds of Earth, experiencing its diverse cultures, natural wonders, and technological marvels. With the development of advanced propulsion systems, interplanetary travel became more accessible. Martians were granted the opportunity to visit Earth, a privilege granted through a newly established Martian passport. This document served as a symbol of unity, enabling Martians to explore Earth's wonders, reconnect with their terrestrial roots, and forge meaningful relationships with Earthlings. As Martians stepped foot on Earth, they were greeted by a world vastly different from the one they had left behind. Earth had united as one nation, transcending the barriers of politics, borders, and conflicts. Through a shared vision of progress and well-being, the people of Earth had worked together to create a society founded on cooperation, equality, and sustainability. Earth's advanced technology had ushered in an era of peace and prosperity. The world had developed powerful, advanced, yet responsibly managed weapons that served solely as a deterrent against external threats. The scars of war and conflict had faded into history, replaced by a collective commitment to preserving the planet and nurturing the well-being of all its inhabitants. Martians and Earthlings marveled at the harmonious coexistence they had achieved, learning from each other's successes and challenges. Through cultural exchanges, collaborative projects, and shared resources, the interplanetary connection enriched both worlds. The Martians brought their ingenuity, resilience, and knowledge of sustainable practices to Earth, while Earthlings shared their expertise in governance, diplomacy, and societal development. Together, Martians and Earthlings embarked on grand initiatives that transcended planetary boundaries. They united their scientific prowess to tackle global challenges, such as climate change, resource management, and the exploration of the universe beyond. The combined efforts of these two worlds sparked a new era of innovation and discovery, propelling humanity towards a future of unimaginable possibilities. As the interplanetary connection flourished, a deep sense of shared destiny permeated the collective consciousness of Martians and Earthlings alike. They understood that their fates were intertwined, and their collaboration would shape the course of human history. With the stars as their guide, they embarked on a cosmic journey, fueled by hope, curiosity, and the unyielding spirit of exploration. And so, the connection between Mars and Earth grew stronger with each passing day, a testament to the potential of unity and cooperation. The legacy of Mars colonization transcended the colonization of a planet. It marked the birth of a new era for humanity, a future where the bonds of friendship, knowledge, and love stretched across the vast expanse of the cosmos, forever connecting the red planet and the blue jewel in the infinite tapestry of the universe.